So, when you see somebody who's been married for more than 30 years or 50 years, the person has gone through what? Seasons of loss, seasons of hardship, seasons of children, seasons of sickness, seasons of lack, seasons of provision, seasons of joy. And all together, they decided that none of those things is going to separate them. Hallelujah. None of those things is going to separate them. These days, people get married and within a few weeks they are getting divorced. So people don't have. Hallelujah. In this modern time, people think that marriage is what they see on TV, in Nigerian films and the Mexican film, where you meet somebody, say, "Oh, I love you," and you get married. Then within one week time, your wife is at home. Then you drive a brand new car covered with some ribbons. You said you go to the bedroom, you cover her eye. I have a surprise for you, and you say, "Oh, darling, what is the surprise?" You don't worry. Be patient. When you come out, when you remove the blind person, it's a surprise! Hey, darling, you are the best! Then she will embrace you, kiss you.